How to request a refund from Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can request a refund from Xiamen Airlines. So how do you request a refund? It is very simple. The first step is for you to log in into the Xiamen Airlines website, just like I've done here. And so once you're on the website, ensure you log in into your account. Once you've done that, move to the section where you can see book flight, flight status, my trip, optional services. So click on my trip. By clicking on my trip, you can see the different options for you to log in. You can see your ticket number, your last name, your first name, verification code. And so once you've done that, click on search. By clicking on search, you'll be taken to the flight details page. On the flight details page, you'll see several options, right, such as for you to change, cancel, and then you'll see the option for you to request for a refund. Or if you cannot see the option for you to request for a refund, just click on cancel. Okay, once you click on cancel, you will follow the prompts and then the flight will be cancelled. Once the flight has been cancelled, then your money would also, your refund process will also be processed. That is, the refund procedure will be processed. And follow the prompt to complete the process, and you would be able to get your money back. So it is that simple. Just follow the prompts that will be displayed on your screen, and you'll be able to request a refund from Xiamen Airlines. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.